Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Angel here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with a quick review. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, for some reason I feel you're a little lopsided, but we'll work that out. We move. So you guys, so for Christmas, y'all know I'm not really big on Christmas, but I did get some Christmas gifts. I had to order them myself. When my husband and I went to the mall to get one of the things I really wanted, they were sold out. No biggie. Like I said, I will get it eventually. I have a birthday around the corner, so no biggie. So one of the things that I did order, of course you guys know I had to order something from Coach. So let me show you the first thing that I ordered. The first thing that I ordered, you guys, was the Town Tote in the color Blossom. Y'all know I'm team purple green all day, every day. But this is so pretty. This is so feminine to me. I think Miss Toya and I think Mom Ambition, and if I'm not mistaken, I think Glam It Girl all have this bag. And this bag is so beautiful. I think that this is so classic and chic. I was going to go for the MCM bag, but I feel like this one is more timeless than the MCM bag, in my opinion. This bag is so, it's just soft. It's just so good. It is so good. And it has the gold hardware on here. I did not pull the paper off the straps or anything. But this is so good. And I feel like if you have any of the pink Louis Vuitton accessories, like, this is so beautiful to me. Like, this tote right here alone, I think as far as this size, this is the nicest one that I have. Like, I love this. What do you guys think? I was completely influenced to get this bag. I didn't realize how good it is. Like, this is good. And it comes in, I think, like a wine color and a chalk color. But this one, because y'all know I'm afraid of white light. I wear a lot of denim and black. But this is stunning, you guys. Like, it's worth every penny. Okay. Alright you guys, next thing that I got is this beautiful keychain with the blue butterflies on it. This is everything. Like, this is so pretty. I can see this going well with my denim field tote, or my Cassie 19 in the color flax. I think that's the color flax. Like, this is so pretty, y'all. So pretty. Overpriced? Yeah, I think this is almost like 50 bucks. But it's so pretty. But if you can catch it on sale, girl, that's the way to go. Okay. But this is so pretty. So pretty. So that is the next thing that I got. The last thing that I have to show you guys right now, I'm waiting on another package that goes with this. It should have been here today. It's not. But don't worry, y'all know that I will show it to you guys later. And I have multiple orders, so more stuff is coming. But the last thing that I have to show you guys today, I think y'all might be a little surprised. It is none other than the Molly tote. The Molly signature, I think, is this the Molly? Millie, Lord Jesus, the Millie satchel. You guys, I went to Coach on one of my last days of Vlogmas, and I saw this in the shoulder bag style, and I was like, oh my God, that is really pretty. But genuinely, I really went to see this in person because Dazzle Me 77 influenced me to go look at this bag. Now, I knew this bag would be large, but I don't know how I feel about this, y'all. Y'all know I'm a tote bag girl or small bags. This is looking a little large for me. Now, I asked my baby love, and she was like, Mom, it's fine. But I don't know, y'all. What do we think? Do we think that this is too large? Like, this is larger than my Rowan. Not by much. It's taller than the Rowan. I'll get it in a second and show you guys size comparison. But I did not, I just took it out the bag. That's it. I didn't pull any of the packaging off because I don't know how I feel about this or if I'm going to keep it. Now, this is beautiful. Like, don't get me twisted. This is beautiful, but I feel like this should have came in another size. Like, if this could have been like even the size of the Rowan, or it's giving like Speedy 20 vibes, like that size, I would have been all over this. But I don't know, I feel like it's just a tad too big for me. But this is how the bag looks. Now, it is stunning. It is absolutely stunning. Like, I would consider this as a forever bag. Like, I'm really trying not to buy anything that's super trendy. You know what I'm saying? Like, super duper trendy. I'm trying to be more intentional with my purchases. But this is, it's beautiful. But what do we think, y'all? Is it too large? Let me see. So this pocket on the front, it does function. Oh my God, y'all. This bag is huge. Oh my goodness. Like, yo, look at how much space is in there. What is it, like a wine? Is this brown? It's like a brown, giving brown burgundy color on the inside. Has a zip pocket on the back. A big slip compartment right here on the front. This is beautiful, but this is large. What do we think? Like, it's so pretty. Let me get my Rowan and we can do a size comparison. Alright, you guys, so I brought out these two bags for size reference. So, in comparison to this bag, let me see. It's longer than this, and it's taller. When it comes to my Rowan, look at that. And it's also taller than the Rowan. It's beautiful, but what do we think? Like, I don't know. I also ordered, the other thing that's coming is the Nolita 19 to match with this. I don't know. Y'all tell me down in the comments, what should we do with this bag? Is it giving keep, it's not that bad, or return? I'm not sure. Like, my baby said, Mom, it's not that bad. Like, it's not too big. I don't know. Tell me down in the comments. Alright, you guys, that concludes this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl. Okay, please let me know, what do you think about these items that I got. Everything will be linked down in the description box as always. I love you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And if not before the new year, Happy New Year. Okay, bye y'all.